Hello Oracle fans. In this Oracle database YouTube video tutorial, I am going to show you how to drop or delete, remove, whatever you want to call it, an Oracle database from um, a computer system. If you look up my YouTube video, how to drop, delete an Oracle database, I show you how to do it with the drop database command in SQL Plus under the covers. And now I'm going to show you how to do it via the GUI, which is, it's basically doing the same thing under the covers. So on this system, we have a database known as Finance 3. We're going to log on to that database and just show you that it's a functional database. Finance 3. The data files are kept in this location. Control files are kept in this location. And the log files are kept in this location. And if we go to that location, C:/database or data finance 3, we will see our control files, read log files, and data files. So let's go ahead, and there is a utility that comes with Oracle, and it is installed in the under, I can type, under the Oracle home, which on this server is C:/Oracle app product 1110 DB_1 bin, and it's called DBCA. And we execute this program, and this will, the batch file that calls the program. And this will bring up a GUI, which allows you to not only configure an Oracle database, but also to delete it, which we're going to do now. And if you want to see it configure it, there's a two-part video out on YouTube that I created of how to create a database with the DBCA, so check that out. And it's actually this database that we're deleting that we created in that video. Okay, database assistant comes up. We get our welcome screen. We select next, and here are the different options we can do to DBCA. Create a database, configure database options, delete a database, manage templates, configure automatic storage management. And we want to do delete a database. We hit next, and now we have to select the database, and it says select the database that you want to delete. All database files will be deleted. This is just as if we did the drop database command manually via SQL Plus. So we select Finance 3 as the database we want to delete, and we hit finish. And we get a warning, one last warning, that says the database configuration assistant will delete the Oracle instance and data files for your database. All information in the database will be destroyed. Do you want to proceed? Say yes there. Okay, we're off to the races. Okay, database deletion completed. Do you want to perform another operation? Say no. And if we go to database or data, Finance 3, we will see that all our data files are now deleted. And what you may have noticed is that we didn't manually have to shut down the database and do a start up the database in the mount stage, stop it at the mount stage, and then open it in restrict mode like we had to do if you look in the Oracle database. If you look in the other video where I teach you how to manually drop an Oracle database. And you'll notice that the database was up and running. I logged on intentionally before I ran a DBCA to delete it to prove to you that it was open and I didn't have to shut it down or do anything manually. Say I just quit SQL Plus. I didn't do a shutdown immediate or anything before I issued a DBCA. So if we go to our alert log, which remember keeps all major events of our Oracle database, keeps track of them. RDBMS, finance, trace, edit, alert, finance3.log. Oops. Why didn't you guys stop me? Finance 3, trace, edit, alert _finance3.log. Looks better. We come down here we will see that the DBCA did that for us. Okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we will see that we did a shutdown, an instance shutdown completed. We started up the Oracle database. Here are all the PIDs being started. We did an alter database mount. So it's in mount mode. We did alter database enable restricted session, and then we have the drop database command. So that's what it's doing under the covers. The DBCA is executing the drop database command, and it shows that it dropped everything, and then it shut down, and it also deleted the control files, and it shut down the instance. Okay? So we know there that so we know by that that the DBCA actually does a drop database under the covers. Okay, that's how you drop an Oracle database, and also removes the instance from the box from our using the DBCA, the Database Configuration Assistant, the GUI utility. Okay, thank you.